This is the topic 2 of our Excel tutorial. Here we will learn how to create Excel workbook. In order to start Excel, click on Microsoft Excel icon, appearing in taskbar or computer desktop. At first look, you will see two portions in the screen. The one on the left shows you the recently worked on Excel sheets. There will be no recent file in case if you are using Excel for first time or no sheet have been opened previously. The right side of the screen shows you the available template as well as tutorials. I will discuss the usage of templates and tutorials in other lectures in detail. In this exercise, I will use the blank template so we can start everything from scratch. Click on blank workbook template to open the spreadsheet. Here you will see a working sheet named Book 1, Excel, appearing on the top. This is the default name for the fresh working sheet, until you save it with specific name. Every file created in Microsoft Excel is called Workbook. In every workbook, you may have one or more worksheets. And every worksheet have cells in which data is being stored. This sheet is also divided into two regions. First one and on the top is ribbon type menu bar with different type of options. Here under each menu option, you will find related set of options, which I will discuss later on. For sake of example, I am going to show you screenshots of few menus like Home menu, Insert menu, Page layout menu. Second part of the worksheet is for entry and calculation purposes. It comprises of columns and rows and starts from column A and row 1. You can manage number, text, pictures, charts, etc. in the sheet. Data in these sheets is maintained in combination of rows and columns. Each worksheet is divided into columns named after English alphabets. There are 16,384 columns in a single worksheet, starting from column A and ending at column XFD. Similarly, every worksheet is divided into rows with each row having its unique number, starting from row number 1. There are 1,048,576 rows available in a single worksheet. In between rows and columns are cells, which is an intersection of both. Cell name is always a combination of row number and column name. For example, if you are in row 5 in column G, then the cell value will be G5. This name appears in the box in the extreme left corner of the worksheet, which is called name box. If you type cell name in this field, and press enter key, then the cursor will move directly to that cell. For example, I am going to type D20 and press enter after this. You can see that after performing this action, pointer moves to cell D20. In new workbook, there is one worksheet by default named Sheet 1. Number of sheets can be increased or decreased as per requirement. You can add new worksheet by clicking plus button. Worksheet name is maintained in sequence, that is, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, Sheet 3, and so on. Sheet name can be edited by user based on the information maintained by him. Additionally, there is a file menu in the extreme top left corner of the spreadsheet. When you click on it, you will find many different type of functions that you may perform on this sheet like saving, opening, printing, etc. Similarly, you may open other Excel files using available features to be discussed later on. This ends up the very first and basic tutorial about Excel. Hope you enjoy the same.